Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets offline. So here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone. And if we want to use Google Sheets offline, the first thing we can do is select the file that we want to use offline. And for example, I'm going to select this file, then just click on this three dots button on the file. And after that, we just need to click on make available offline. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can use this file offline. So I'm going to turn off my internet data. So wait guys, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and let's just open the file. Okay, and this file, I can open this file because we have made it available offline. And then I'm going to give you another example. So for instance, I'm going to open this file. Okay, and as you can see that I can't open this document because this document isn't available offline. So we have to make this document available offline if we want to use it offline. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can use Google Sheets offline. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.